Hello everyone, this is Aya and welcome to another Saturday morning mix, and let me show you the products I used to create my two cards. Okay, so I used VersaFine clear ink. I love this ink. I love this ink. Then Altenew crisp ink, Desert Night. Blending brush. Metallic watercolors. This is like light gold. White pigment ink from Protus Monroe. Copic marker, this is the only one I use, B39. It's like dark indigo blue. I use this stamp set by My Creative Time and called Big Word Sentiments. This beautiful die also by My Creative Time and called Bunch of Cute Circles. Also this die by My Creative Time and called Cute Card Envelope and Cute Card. Just a second.
One eternity later.
Cute card dies and cute card envelopes. Okay. I used this paper by Graphic 45. I used this pattern heart, so cute, and this one called Alice's Tea Party. You will see, a couple of videos where I use this this paper or this collection. Okay, then I used two wooden stamps. This is the first one by Hero Arts and this one called Snow People Border. So cute. Then look at this. This one is so cute. This one by Whippersnapper design, but doesn't have a name. So cute. Then finally, gouache paint. Use the white. Yes, they tend to break because it's a gouache paint. They are by Arteza. And this one, Watercolors by Daniel Smith. So I used these three colors to give me this kind of dark indigo blue. I decided really to use my watercolors. I have so many sets. Especially Daniel Smith. I have so many tubes. So I said, you know what? I need to use my watercolors. Okay, so now let me show you the cards. So this is the first card. Look to the envelope. It's really cute. And here is the card. So cute. So I stamped the sentiment here, just thinking of you. And you see the gold dots or the splatter using, this light gold watercolor. Yeah, so cute. And here is the second card. Dark blue is my favorite color, so that's why I tend to use it a lot. So I die cut, the moon using this die. This like a wavy circle die. The cardstock I used from Cut Cardstock. Again, I'm gonna link them in the description box. And I used the white pigment and the white pigment to stamp just thinking of you all over. Yes, and I used the Copic markers because when I assembled my card, the background for the moon was a little bit lighter than the cardstock. So I decided to cover it or recolor it again, and I used B39. That's it. So I hope you like my cards. I'm going to insert a video where I color these if you are interested. So I hope you like these two cards. If so, please give this video a thumbs up, write a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.